Welcome to Engine Insight, your go-to source for smart driving tips, mechanical insights, and everything that keeps your wheels running smoother and cheaper. If you're tired of watching your fuel gauge drop like a countdown timer and your wallet taking a hit at every refill, this one's for you. Today we're revealing 10 real-world tips to help you get better gas mileage, and none of them require buying a new car. These are practical changes you can start using right now. Stick with us till the end, because tip number 7 is a common myth that might be silently draining your wallet. 10 point, and then your key before a world, a Sutho excess lax tweakers. The common myth what we built to drives in great ingensum. 1. Drive smoothly and avoid aggressive acceleration. One of the biggest killers of fuel efficiency is aggressive driving. Sudden acceleration, rapid braking, and speeding may get you somewhere faster, but they burn a lot more fuel in the process. Think of your car like a marathon runner. Consistent pace uses less energy than sprinting and stopping. When you accelerate gradually and maintain a steady speed, your engine doesn't have to work as hard. Gentle driving habits can boost your mileage by up to 30% on highways and save you serious money in the long run. 2. Keep your tires properly inflated. Driving with underinflated tires is like walking in sand. It's harder, slower, and requires more energy. The same goes for your car. Low tire pressure increases rolling resistance, meaning your engine uses more fuel just to keep you moving. Check your tire pressure at least once a month and always before long drives. Use the PSI rating printed on your driver's door or manual, not the maximum on the tire itself. Keeping your tires inflated properly can improve your mileage by up to 3% and also extend your tire life. Lighten the load and remove extra weight. Every kilogram your car carries affects how hard the engine has to work. If you're driving around with unnecessary items in your trunk or back seat, like old gym gear, tools, or heavy boxes, you're burning more fuel than you need to. Even roof racks and cargo boxes can increase air resistance and weight, costing you more at the pump. For every extra 100 pounds, your fuel efficiency can drop by about 1%. A lighter car isn't just faster, it's cheaper to run. Use cruise control on highways. Cruise control is one of the simplest tools you can use to get better mileage, especially on flat highways. It keeps your speed steady, which helps your engine work efficiently without unnecessary acceleration and braking. Every time you fluctuate your speed, you're using more fuel than you realize. On long trips, cruise control reduces fatigue and improves fuel economy. However, avoid using it on hills or winding roads where it can actually make your engine work harder to maintain speed. There's an ongoing debate about whether it's better to roll down the windows or blast the AC. Here's the truth. 5. Know when to use windows or air conditioning. There's an ongoing debate about whether it's better to roll down the windows or blast the AC. Here's the truth. At low city speeds, open windows are more fuel efficient. But at highway speeds, open windows create wind drag, which makes your engine burn more fuel. In that case, it's better to use your air conditioner, but moderately. Finding the right balance based on speed and conditions can help you stay cool and save fuel. The key is being aware of what costs you more in different driving scenarios. 6. Replace dirty or clogged air filters. Your engine needs a steady flow of clean air to mix with fuel and burn efficiently. A clogged or dirty air filter restricts airflow, forcing your engine to work harder and use more fuel. This is especially true in older vehicles, but even modern engines benefit from a clean filter. Replacing your air filter is a quick, inexpensive task that can improve performance and gas mileage. If you drive in dusty or polluted environments, consider checking it more frequently than your manual suggests. 7. Use the right fuel, not always premium. Many drivers believe that using premium fuel gives better performance or better mileage, but that's simply not true for most vehicles. If your car is designed to run on regular unleaded fuel, using premium won't make it run better or cleaner. It just costs more. Always follow the recommended octane level in your owner's manual. Using higher octane fuel unnecessarily is like paying extra for something your engine doesn't need. Save money by using the fuel your car was built for, nothing more, nothing less. 8. Don't let your car idle too long. Idling your car for more than a minute is one of the most common and unnecessary ways to waste fuel. Modern engines are designed to warm up quickly, usually in less than a minute, and they actually warm up faster when driven gently. If you're waiting to pick someone up or park somewhere for a while, turn off the engine. Idling gets you 0 kilometers per liter and wears out your engine slowly. Cut down on idling, and you'll cut down on fuel waste and emissions too. 9. Plan your routes to drive less. Fuel economy isn't just about how you drive. It's also about where and when you drive. Taking a longer route with less traffic is often more efficient than a shorter one full of stop-and-go delays. Use navigation apps that provide real-time traffic data to avoid congestion. Try to combine errands into one trip instead of several shorter ones, especially when the engine is cold. Fewer trips and less idle time add up to real savings over time. 10. Keep your car well-maintained. A well-maintained engine runs more efficiently and uses less fuel. It's that simple. Old spark plugs, dirty oil, clogged injectors, or worn-out sensors can all cause your car to burn more gas than it should. Follow your service schedule for oil changes, filter replacements, and system checks. Regular maintenance may cost you up front, but it saves you much more in fuel and repair bills later. Think of it as feeding your car the right diet to keep it lean, clean, and efficient. So there you have it, 10 straightforward yet powerful ways to boost your car's gas mileage. These aren't hacks or gimmicks. They're proven methods that can help any driver get more out of every liter of fuel. Whether you apply just a few or follow them all, the savings will add up fast. Which tip did you find most useful? Let us know in the comments. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next breakdown here on Engine Insight, where your car meets smart decisions.